Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from bank to Apple Pay. So guys, if you want to transfer your money from a bank to your Apple Pay, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, if you want to transfer money from your bank into Apple Pay, the process is actually pretty simple, but there is one important detail. Apple Pay itself doesn't work like a traditional bank account. Instead, you normally add your debit or credit card to Apple Wallet and use that card for Apple Pay purchases. If you are using Apple Cash in the United States, you can also transfer money from a eligible bank account or debit card into your Apple Cash balance. So guys, if you want to add money to your Apple Pay from your bank, then you have to simply go back to your home screen first, and then you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to simply scroll it below all the way, and here you will see your wallet, or you can download this app as well. Simply go to wallet, and after this you have to simply tap on add cards, and from here you can add your debit or credit cards for Apple Pay payments. So guys, if you want to add your card, you can add from here, or you can go to autofill cards from here, and after this you have to simply enter the passcode for your Apple device and then tap on add card, and from here you can easily add your debit or credit card for Apple Pay payments from here. So as you can see, this you have to simply tap on Apple add card from here, and then you can easily scan your card from here, or you can enter the details of your card from here as well to make purchases from Apple Pay. So guys, in this way you can also transfer money from bank to Apple Pay, or you can pay, or you can use Apple Pay purchases from here as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.